In this video, I'm going to show you how to add emojis in YNAB. Now, I'm assuming if you're trying to add emojis, you are talking about these emojis over here inside the plan section. So by default, whenever you're creating your plan, your emojis should automatically be here for the things you actually set up at the beginning. So for example, for bills, needs, wants, these emojis were all added automatically. However, whenever you add a new category or category group, so for example, if I click on this plus icon here, and if I type in lease, like this, for example, I could go ahead and click on OK. However, the emoji won't be there, and there's no way to actually add it other than doing it manually. So let me show you how to do this. First, you want to click on it whenever you name it, and then in here, you can go ahead and click, of course, in front of your word if you want to have your emoji in front, and then you want to hit the Windows button plus the period on your keyboard, so Windows plus period, and it should open up this emoji and more panel. Now over here, you can go ahead and basically just find emojis. So for example, if I look for a car emoji, let's say this is the one I was looking for. There we go. I can click on it and it's going to pop in the emoji. I can click on OK and I now have a new emoji in here. However, if that doesn't work for you and if you can't get the emojis, just go to Google, type in emojis and open up one of these websites where you can basically get them, like Emojipedia, Get Emoji, or whichever. You could then just go ahead and go on one of these websites. You can find the emoji you want to do. So for example, I'm just gonna open this up and I'm going to type in car, and then we're going to just find an emoji we're going to add. There we go. For example, racing car. I'm going to just click here, and then you can go ahead and copy it right from here. It says it was copied, and then you can come back here, click on it, and then you can basically just paste it with right click and paste or Control and V on your keyboard, and that way you've basically added an emoji. So those are the ways on how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.